Good morning, students. Today we will cover up the customization of line plot or line chart, graph. Customization means setting attributes of lines as per our requirement so that line graph looks attractive. There are some attributes to be set for customization of line chart or line graph. I will do it with the help of assignment given to you all yesterday, little bit late. Here, this one I have written all the all the data points, namely name, maths marks and English marks. I want to show first plot with name and maths marks, second plot name and English marks. On X label I want to display name, and on Y label I want to display subject marks. Okay, and as for heading, as title, all these things are being done with the help of PLT object, and to display a single graph we are using only single object of plot. Here in heading, English oblique math marks comparison. Okay, for heading, then it should be displayed. So show method is being called, and then after as save fig function or method is being used to save the shown data in a.jpg file. So that's why you can give any name to file, but it must be any image file. So I am using here jpg file, and it must be created as usual. I have informed earlier how you can create. You just have to click or plus button just after files option. It will create a file, and then prompt to give some name. You will write there a.jpg as per your requirement. Okay, now I have made changes in my program. Now I execute the same program. It is executing. After execution, it has drawn the graph. On execution, it shows this one. Now preview is directly not available. It is shown over execution only. So if you perform it over your PC screen, it will be larger. Your data will be shown properly. As a part of graph, I am executing again this one, but you can see that there are two lines, one is with orange color and another one is with green color, and there are 5 names on x-axis and percentage is written on y-axis, and as per data lines are drawn. Okay, now I change the value of English marks, and English marks is too much low. I make change correction here. I make this to 78. Okay, and English maths marks to 87. Now I stop this program, again execute this one, and on execution you will find corrections in the graph. Okay, this one there is change in green color. Okay, now again I change in English marks. I write here 71. Look at here first on our graph. Now I have made changes. Now I again execute this program. It will display graph in changed manner. Okay, so students, you are finding that there are two lines, one for maths marks and another for English marks, that is being shown after calling plot method. For first line we call first plot plt.plot and plot the name in maths marks with color green. Then plot name in English marks with orange color. Either you can write complete name here, or you can write O. Then on X label name should be displayed. On Y label subject marks should be displayed, and on heading as title method is there to display title, and after that show, and after that you can save that figure. So on execution you find your graph like this, but O is not there for orange color. You will have to write I make change. I write here R. Orange is not direct. Okay, R is there, red color, R for red color, or for orange you will have to write complete orange. Okay, so in this manner you can display your data. Our topic was to customize the line graph or line chart. Here we take one by one. First one is its line color that we have already seen. What you have to do, first argument is argument is year of plot method. So in plot you have to make correction in color only. So as per your requirement you set the color, its color will be changed. If you write R for then red. If you don't know the shortcut, just like orange, we cannot use O. So in that case write the complete name. So either write complete name of the color or write the shortcut as per your requirement. So student, write give a simple assignment. Go Google that what are the shortcuts of different color. You will write the name of the different color supported by plot method. So this one we have already learned. I think now you are familiar. First argument is year for the x-axis purpose, second argument for y-axis purpose. Think this one also. First argument for x-axis, second argument for y-axis, and third argument is color. You have to set the color. Okay, now next one is this one given here, line style. By default complete line is being displayed without any break, but as per your requirement you can set line style also. Okay, so I am making here one correction. Set line to any of minus marks for solid line, dash dash for dashed line. These are the different parameters you can set for line style attribute. So for solid line, any of this for solid line, for dash line, and for this one. Okay, the next argument, okay, I make change here, line style. Okay, plot, then color, then line style, line style equal this. Stop this program, again execute this one. Student, the screen is smaller, but you will be finding that dash line is there for English marks only, because we have set line style for English marks only. Okay, so as per your requirement you can make correction for line style. The next argument is its width. Its width is smaller, we can set its width also. So its argument is line width. Comma line width equal 4. Okay, line width equal 4. Now I execute the program. Its width will be changed. Okay, now student, you are finding the English marks. Line color is red, line style is dashed, line width is 4. Okay, so this is also possible. We can change the line style also. First one is also for different data points. Then custom line width we have changed. Then title, you are familiar how to change the title. That is there is a separate method, title. You have to call that method and you just have to pass the value for the title. Next is label. On X label, similarly you can set the value for Y label on X label. Then legend, we have not called legend, but if you want to display legend, we can display legend on position as per our requirement. Okay, so okay, legend, here I write math and here write English, and I stop this. Look at this output. We are not finding any legend here, but as I execute this program, okay, there are some changes. Okay, student, do it on your system, it will work. Legend means what kind of value is being displayed. It reflects Okay, what is legend? I show you. In this graph, there is no legend option. Legend is something like that is displayed over top right corner or bottom right corner or uh, bottom left corner, like that. In bracket something is written that red color is for this one and green color is for this one, so that is displayed, that is legend. Okay, so student, I give you assignment to do it on yourself. Something single quote or double quote value, something value of this upper right and single quote value is doing mistake, so that's why it is not being displayed. Okay, student, you are finding here that on upper right corner there are 2 marks. This one is legend, so it's enough for you. I will give you assignment.